Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gemini for buying Bitcoin with ACH step by step clearly. Visit the Gemini website at www.gemini.com. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification link from Gemini. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Gemini website and log in using your email and password. Complete the identity verification by providing your personal information. Upload a government-issued ID and a selfie for additional security. Once verified, navigate to the Settings section of your account. Enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Now, go to the Deposit section in your account. Select the option to add a bank account using ACH. Enter your bank account details, including account number and routing number. Confirm the ownership of the bank account by following the instructions provided. Gemini may send two small verification deposits to your bank account. Check your bank statements for those deposits, which may take a few days to appear. Return to your Gemini account and enter the amounts of the two verification deposits. Now that your bank account is linked, you can deposit funds into your Gemini account. Navigate to the Buy section of the main menu. Select Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in USD. Select the payment method as your linked bank account. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Click on the Buy Now button to complete your purchase. You will receive a confirmation of your Bitcoin purchase once it's processed. Your Bitcoin will now be credited to your Gemini account, and you can view it in your portfolio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.